everyone. I am Narasimhan, a solution engineer at Nutrient. Today I am going to walk you through a sample code in our awesome Nutrient repo, web, annotations, and get all annotations bounding boxes. I have already downloaded this code and executed. Here it is. So the use cases, we have to get all the annotations and their bounding boxes and highlight them. I'm just highlighting them to show that we have got those bounding boxes correctly. So when I click on annotation, next annotation, it gets highlighted. All the annotations are getting highlighted. All these are annotations. A simple use case. I have created a refresh button just to recount all the annotations and highlight them. We'll walk you through the code. Here I have declared few global variables, imported PDF kit, React. So it's a standard load method to load the document in the viewer with the default toolbars. Once the document is loaded, we need to create a custom button now to navigate to each annotation. So the type is custom and the title is I have given next annotation so that when you click on shows the next annotation. So on press event, I'm just having the count of which annotation we are in now. Just tracking it out and I'm calling the handle the next annotation. This will move to the next annotation. Each time we press the next button. So now button is there, but we need to still set the button to the toolbar. To set it, we have instance dot set toolbar items. Then I'll push this next annotation, this one to this items set toolbar. So once the document is loaded and the toolbar is loaded, now we'll get all the annotations. We need to fetch them. So to fetch it, I'm handling fetch annotations here. On the refresh button, I'm just refresh getting all the annotations, clearing off the current annotations and getting all the annotations again. And here is the fetch code to get all the annotations. I'm just getting all the count of the page. Then I'm looping through all the pages and getting the annotations and their bounding boxes. So now I will have all the bounding boxes in the all annotations. It's a global variable I have declared here. I'm pushing everything to this one. So once we have all the annotations, we have to handle next annotation. Then when we click on that button, we need to move to the next annotations. So here we need to set the color of the highlighting annotation because to show in the demo, I'm just highlighting that so that we are making sure that it is focusing on that particular annotation. So then I'm checking for the annotations if there are any annotations or not. If the length is 0 means there are some annotations on the page, then I will move to that index and get the bounding box of it. Then using the highlight annotation, rectangle highlight annotation, I'm highlighting it. Here we have two codes, two ways actually to jump to that annotation. Jump to rect and jump and zoom to rect. Means we can zoom in to that particular annotation, to that bounding box basically, and or we just move to that bounding box. So if you move just to the bounding box, you will not be able to see the drastic effect of that. Means we are actually focusing it on it or not. So that's the reason like I have used zoom, jump and zoom to rect. Here I'm using the padding, using this padding dot grow of padding, so we can control the zoom level. If we don't give anything, it zooms directly into the annotation, so uh, losing the whole view of the PDF. So I'm just increasing it to 2 to 2. You can adjust that. And I'm also deleting the annotation, highlight annotation, which I'm creating after 2.5 seconds. I'm just using that set timeout. Hope the code is clear. What just showing you again, after 2.5 seconds, this highlighted annotation is deleted. Just to show in the demo. See here, when I click on next, it gets highlighted, and after 2.5 seconds, I'm deleting that annotation. Hope this is helpful and clear. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.